Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to edit a picture by resizing it and changing the pixel of a JPG file. As you can see, this is a JPG file with a size of 56 KB. To check the pixel of this picture, right click on this picture and click on properties. In the details, scroll down and as you can see, the dimensions are 741 into 741. Width is 741 pixels, height is also 741 pixels. So let's change it. Click on OK, and now to edit it, we need to open this image in Paint. So click on Open With and click on Paint. After opening this JPG file in Paint, as you can see, I cannot see the complete picture in one go. So let's reduce the size a bit. So let's change it to 75%, but this is still not complete. Let's reduce it further to 50%. Now the picture is complete. The current size of the picture is 741 into 741 pixels. To change the pixel of this image, click on this button over here. You can either change the pixels through percentage or through pixels. Let's change it directly through pixels. With this blue thing highlighted, whatever you put in horizontal or vertical, the same will be displayed on the other side. Let's change it to 500 for both. But if you want different pixels, horizontal and vertical as per your requirement, click on this button and now change it. So let's make it horizontal as 600 and vertical as 500. Click on OK. As you can see, this has changed to 600 into 500 pixels. Click on File and click on Save. Once the picture was saved in Paint, we can again check the pixels of that picture. Right click on that picture and click on Properties again. Go to Details tab. As you can see, the dimension previously were 741 into 741, but they are now updated to 600 into 500. 600 was the width, which was horizontal, and 500 is the vertical, which is height. So now this pic has updated dimension as per your specification. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring further information about these. Thank you. Have a good one.